Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, open your laptop, and realize you made money overnight. Not from crypto, not from stocks, not from risky trading or some get-rich-quick scheme, but from AI doing the work for you. Sounds unbelievable, right? It's not, because right now, thousands of complete beginners are quietly building AI-powered income streams. Without any coding, without followers, without a fancy setup. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, starting from zero. By the end, you'll know how to build your own AI-driven income stream, automate it, and start earning your first $100 to $500 online, even if you've never made a single dollar before. And no, you don't need 6 screens, a microphone, or a Silicon Valley hoodie. You just need 10 focused minutes. Because this video might just change how you make money forever. Let's face it, AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And while most people are terrified of losing their jobs to AI, a smarter few are quietly learning how to make AI work for them. I call this AI skill arbitrage. It simply means using free AI tools to do tasks that people are already paying for. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. You just need to use ChatGPT to create real value that others will pay for. And right now, there are 5 easy, beginner-friendly ways to do exactly that. 1. AI content creation. 2. AI graphic design. 3. AI video editing. 4. AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. 5. AI chatbot setup. And the best part? You could do all of these right from your laptop, even if you've never worked before like this. But today, we'll focus on the easiest and most profitable one for complete beginners. AI content creation. We'll create blogs, newsletters, and YouTube scripts that people actually pay for. And I'll walk you through every step of the process. So let's dive right in. We'll go through 5 simple steps together. Follow along right on your screen, and by the end, you'll have your first AI income system ready to go. Step 1. Choose a high-demand service. Go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Search for blog writing, YouTube script writing, or newsletter writing. Now look closely. You'll see hundreds of freelancers charging anywhere from $30 to $200 per project. But here's the thing. Most of them are doing it manually. You're going to do the same work using AI. Faster, smarter, more profitable. Think about it. While someone's typing for 3 hours, you could finish 3 projects in that same time and get paid 3 times. For this demo, let's pick YouTube script writing because it's simple, in demand, and easy to automate. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create the content. Now, go to chat.openai.com. That's ChatGPT. Type this prompt. You are a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 5-minute YouTube script on the topic, how to make money in the stock market. Use a friendly, conversational tone with an engaging hook, storytelling examples, and a clear call to action. Wait a few seconds, and there it is, a full, ready-to-sell YouTube script. Now refine it. Rewrite this to sound more natural for an American audience aged 18 to 40. Add humor and curiosity to keep viewers engaged. Boom. Now it reads like something you'd hear from top YouTuber. You can even ask, create a version of this for a blog post. And just like that, ChatGPT converts your video script into a polished blog article. Think about what just happened. In under 5 minutes, you've created 2 pieces of content that could easily earn $100 or more. That's the real power of AI. Step 3. Make it look professional. Now, open Canva.com. It's free. Search for document. Choose a clean, minimalist layout. Paste your AI-generated content. Add your name or a simple logo, maybe powered by AI Mastery Path. Then click Download PDF. That's it. You now have a professional, polished document ready for clients. Because let's be honest, no one's impressed by a plain Word doc, but a sleek, branded PDF that screams pro. Step 4. Offer it as a service, make money. Now, go back to Fiverr and create your first gig. Title: I will write engaging YouTube scripts or blog posts using AI. Fast and affordable. Description: get high-quality, human-sounding YouTube scripts or blog articles written using advanced AI tools like ChatGPT. Delivered within 24 hours, 100% customized for your audience. Upload 2 to 3 sample PDFs from Canva. Set your starting price at $25. Your first few clients are your best marketers. Every 5-star review becomes a magnet that attracts more buyers. Once you've got 3 reviews, raise your price to $50 to $75 per project. That's the moment your side hustle stops being cute and starts being profitable. Step 5. Automate and scale using Google Sheets. Now that you're getting orders, you want to stay organized. Open Google Sheets and create these columns. Client name, order details, status, in progress, /done, payment delivery date. Then, link your Fiverr notifications to Gmail filters, so every new order automatically updates your sheet. Add another tab called Prompt Bank. Here, save your best ChatGPT prompts. So when a new client orders, you just plug in their topic, run your pre-tested prompt, and boom, another project done in minutes. You just built your own AI content system that runs like a mini agency. And here's where it gets even better. After you've done 5 to 10 projects, bundle your best prompts and templates into a content creation prompt pack. Upload it to Gumroad or Etsy. And now, you're not trading time for money anymore. You're selling a system. That's how freelancers turn into entrepreneurs. AI doesn't replace humans. It replaces inefficiency. So the real question is, will you be the one using AI to create opportunity, or the one replaced by it? Because in 2025, people will look back and say, that was the year I learned how to make money with AI. Make sure you're one of them. You just saw how to build your first AI income stream, step by step. But if you want to make this even easier and faster, you'll need the right tools that multiply your results. So don't stop here. Click the video on your screen right now. How to use AI to do your work faster. 3 free tools you'll wish you knew sooner. In that video, I'll show you how to combine these tools into a simple AI workflow that saves hours and earns more. This is AI Mastery Path, helping you earn smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.